of revelations, you know what I'm saying?
Peace. Here we go. Another day for the Deaths of Apocalypse. Many reflections. So, I had to pick one. And what I want to say today is I'm honored and privileged to be a part of the DJ Rockwell radio show this weekend coming, episode 18. And I just want to say that dealing with a word called time. You know, Brother Milton D. Muhammad, Allah rest his soul, used to always say to me, you know, every answer to your prayer come through people, places, and things. And time and condition will determine how soon you receive. And, you know, maybe about 10 years ago, I wanted to write a book about my journey through drug abuse, because for whatever the reason, Allah saw fit for me not to go through this program or that program or what have you. But in our journey through the process, we were able to document the steps. And I'm grateful to Allah that He blessed me with the recall to be able to pull it up and put it together, line it up, and express those thoughts and document it. You know what I'm saying? Because over the years, you know, in my life, you know what I'm saying, just based on the work of the resurrection of the dead, you know, a lot of times, especially this generation, you know, real recognize real. And there's a difference between R-E-E-L real and R-E-A-L real. We talked about that before. You know what I'm saying? This is not a movie, man. This is not the big screen. It's real life. And when we're dealing with our people, man, they need some real life stories, man, that lined up and, you know, lines up a journey to see us go from death into life, if you will. See, that's one of the tricks of the Bible. You know, Jesus was born and was 12 years old to escape the death plot of Herod. Escapes down into Egypt, disappears, then comes all the way back to when he's around 30, where he starts his mission according to Scripture. 3 years later, crucifixion, right? So you have from the age of 12 to 30, which is 18 years. Can you recall your life from the age of 12 to 30, or however, or you might not be 30? But those are some crucial learning moments. Those are some crucial ups and downs, and you know what I'm saying? So if we don't have that information of the best example of a man to follow, then how can we truly follow them, right? So our lives have to represent that as well. And the Minister Louis Farrakhan clearly opens himself up and allows you in, allows me in, right? Which which makes it easier for him to open us up, or makes us more receptive to opening ourselves up to receive what he's feeding us, if we're being real, R-E-A-L, real. So I say all that to say, we wrote a book, Walk the Road to Recovery, 9 Steps in Motion. And this Saturday on DJ Rock World Radio Show, you know what I'm saying, we're going to dig deep into that, you know what I'm saying, from addiction to destiny. And I get an opportunity to share the platform with a brother who I'll be meeting myself, Dr. Marshall. So I'm looking forward to that. Tune in. That's our word today for the Death of Apocalypse. May Allah continue to bless you. Enjoy your day.